Hi there, this is Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and today's video is all about April's Stamp-A-Greeting. So in Stamp-A-Greeting, we make 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs. I provide all the card packets, which include the paper, the cardstock, the embellishments, and the ribbon, or in this case, this month, it's twine. Now you'll notice in my card packets, some of the designer series paper might be a little bit different, but they all coordinate nicely. Also, in the class, you get a printout. It has pictures of all the cards that you'll make and the measurements in case you want to make the cards again. And then I'll send you a video so you can make the cards at your own leisure. Now I provide all the cardstock, the embellishments, and the ribbon, or in case this twine. And there's a few things you'll have to supply. You'll need to supply some ink. I suggest basic black or Memento Tuxedo Black ink. You'll need a stamp set. I am bringing back the Happy Thoughts stamp set, and this time I'm going to add the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set. We need something large here on our butterfly card, and this stamp here was just perfect. Okay, as always, you'll need to supply some adhesive. I always suggest a tape runner. I'm going to use Stamp and Seal, some liquid glue, glue dots, and dimensionals. And then as your usual supplies, don't forget you'll need the blocks for your stamps. I always suggest some kind of pickup tool or a pokey tool, your bone folder, and a pair of paper snips. And for this class, you'll need a couple other supplies. You'll need a paper trimmer. We're gonna have to trim just a little bit of paper, and you'll need some Scotch tape. Now in my video, I'm going to use that big stamp, so I'm going to use my Stamp-Ratus, but that's strictly optional. If you have a Stamp-Ratus, it might be nice to have around, but otherwise, like I said, your block should be just fine. So let me show you the cards again. Look like this. Did I show you the inside? This one has a special little pop-up. Thanks to Amy Taylor, just a little ink. She created it and I cased it. The cost of a Stamp-A-Greeting is $25, like I said, for the 8 cards. That includes shipping. I'll accept orders through the week of April 5th, and then I'll send out packets and supply the video link the week of April 12th. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them, and I hope you decide to join us this month. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.